This is the mini portable Bluetooth speaker. Let's unbox it. One thing I love about this brand, they always put their stuff in unique boxes and have such unique designs. So this is no exception. I mean, look at this. This thing is so cool, guys. So you have tons of different options here. You have your on and off, all your different modes. I'm telling you, these things are so cool. Charging ports right on here. That's so awesome. Press and hold to turn on the light. So you got this little light on here. You can press it again for some other modes, for low, for flashing. Press and hold to turn it off. Pull this lever down. And now we have the audio on. We are now pairing to the speaker. By the way, there's more accessories underneath here as well, in your manual as well. So for this, we can't play any music, but we're gonna go ahead and play one of our videos here and test the audio out. Okay. Time. So it definitely lights up. You can easily see it. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like during the daytime. As you can see, it's spooky. It's that perfect fall Halloween season type inflatable, but yet it's not evil. This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review. My name's Scott from Scott's Honest Reviews. Today we're taking a look at this inflatable Halloween setup. I can't wait. I don't know about you guys. I like Halloween. I'm not really into that like really dark spooky stuff, but I enjoy occasional pumpkins and Halloween. All right, so there we paused it. Stop talking and get. So we can pause our video, pause the music. So as you can see here, maybe you guys can see on here, but start it and stop it. Quick little tip for this. First of all, when it's inflating, try not to have anything blocking the fan. But overall, this is awesome. I love this, guys. Make a perfect stocking stuffer Christmas gift.